Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Just a quick update here. Not too much has changed since the last video. However, we did reach my support area. Yeah, again, this was a long trade area here, or at least a suggested area where the price is going to get into with a high probability and is going to reverse out of it. With a high probability, it happened very fast and therefore sometimes useful to set limit orders. If you didn't have a limit order, you will probably have missed this because I watched it live happening in real time when it moved down and moved up again, and it was very, very quick. So scenario fulfilled in A, B, C to the downside, yeah, of a wave 2. Now, is this correction already over or not? It could be. I'm very honest with you, it could be over now because we've hit this support area, but there is one thing that now needs to happen. So first of all, there are I'm currently following here for Ethereum a bullish pattern. You know my view that it is, for me, still very unlikely that we're going to see the June low again. It is possible, but unlikely at this stage. My primary expectation is that we are holding the $1,000 level and we are going up. We need to, by the way, because if we don't, then yeah, the overall bullish assumption for the Ethereum chart isn't going to work out. So what needs to happen? So first of all, maybe what are the possibilities here? So we can count this in a 5-wave move up as wave 1. This is what we want to see to get a trend reversal confirmed. As explained in the previous video, this wave 5 was too short. It's a so-called truncated wave. That's one possibility, to see it as a truncated wave and then that we came down since then. Truncated wave is not a great option, but I did use it here just because we have that on some other charts as well, potentially. But it's nothing that would, you know, increase the trust in this wave pattern, so it's getting a little bit more uncertain with that. The other possibility is that we put the wave 1 top here where actually wave 3 is, and then we call it a leading diagonal. This is sort of not great as well, because it is also the possibility is it could be a let's say a corrective pattern to the upside, but an ABC to the upside can be a leading diagonal, or it can be part of a leading diagonal. So that would mean that all of these subwaves of the red wave count would need to be counted as a 3-wave move. Then I would have to remove the 5-wave count here. Yeah, but both are bullish options. In both scenarios, we need to hold at any time the 78.6% retrace. That is at $1,130. Below that level, it will get very unlikely to work out. Now, what is the signal that things are starting to move to the upside? I think we could get an explosive movement very, very soon. The reason is that we are getting pushed into an apex here, getting squeezed really. And the likelihood is, I think, quite good that we break it to the upside. And that's because we have already come into the yellow area. Now, if we don't break to the upside, of course, I can't really tell the future, of course can't. So we always need to wait for a signal and then react to it. But if it breaks down, it wouldn't be bearish necessarily, as long as we're holding the $1,130 level, and below that, we still have the $1,000 level that we can hold and still be overall bullish. But yeah, we are in a triangle, and that is, I think, the time to be awake, not to go to bed. If you want to trade this could become an impulsive move. And that is normally the case when you get squeezed into an apex like that. You know, it's a bit, I always compare it with a spring that gets compressed, then it's released, and then you get that strong move. But yeah, I mean, ABC, the C wave could, as I said, still go down a bit further. We could get a bit of an extended correction here, no problem, to 1,130, but at the latest there it should start to move up. And it really needs to push above this descending trend line here. Breakout point would be, if it happened now, around $1,275, and then we could move up in a third wave. Target for the third wave, I can't really give it to you yet because I have no evidence yet that wave 2 has bottomed. But let's say it has, then target would be 1,755 for the third wave, the 1.618 extension. So yeah, first signal that things are moving to the upside is a breakout of the triangle to the upside and holding the level, yeah, and getting above the wave B high at 1,306, and then follow through to above the $1,355 level. Okay, and this is my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.